Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and for today's video, my hair looks crazy, but for today's video, we are going to be doing the Sephora Play unboxing for the month of July. You guys, I'm ready for Thanksgiving. I'm ready for food. I'm tired of dieting. I'm tired of trying to fit in a bikini. I want some turkey. But I can wait a few more months. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And if you don't know, Sephora Play is a $10 a month beauty subscription box that comes with 4 to 5 luxury sample size products, along with a bonus sample, which is usually like a perfume or something like that. I'm trying to describe it, but it will be listed in the description box below, an actual description of what it actually is, as well as a link to sign up if you would like to. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Every Sephora Play comes with your playbook, which tells you all of the items that are in your box, along with the description, just like every beauty subscription box. And Sephora Play also comes with your Play Pass that gives you 50 Beauty Insider points that you can redeem in store, or you apply in store. And then this is the bag for this month. I guess they didn't have anything fancy this month. It's just the regular Sephora bag. And I'm just gonna go in any random order. I guess I'll just pick some stuff out. So the first thing that I see is this. And this is supposed to be a essence, and it comes like that. It's a pretty decent size. I've used an essence before. It's not from this brand, so like essences are kind of like weird. But I've used essences before, and I do like them. I think they're meant to, like, let's see. Says it's a gentle treatment that removes dead skin, so serum and moisturizers can do their thing. So I just remembered a essence is basically to prep your skin for the moisturizers and everything, so they can, get in there and do what they gotta do. That's that. So I am excited to try this. I feel like that's a decent size, because when it comes to your face, you don't really need to use a lot. You want to be gentle and stuff like that. So I am excited to try that. And then I guess this is this month's bonus, but it's what is this? A volumizing shampoo. And this shampoo is sulfate free and silicone free and paraben free, which I'm excited because I can actually use it. So I am actually, for the first time ever, going to actually use a hair sample, because it's sulfate free and it's silicone free. So I guess we'll see. I don't know if I'm really, well, yeah, I guess like a shampoo you could usually tell on the first try. And if you can't tell right now, my hair is lacking. It's just, I don't know what's going on. But again, when you have curly hair, your products could work 1 week, 2 weeks, they could work 6 months, and then one day they're like, no, honey, we're just not having it. So my hair has had a not having it, so I am back to the drawing board. It also may be because where I live, it's been raining and the humidity, and it's just been gross. And my hair feels gross like this weather. But anyways, there's no harm in trying this, so we're going to try this. And then next, which I'm really excited about this product. It is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I love this stuff. Oh man, won't focus. Okay. I love this stuff. I've had it before. Focus, camera, focus. Okay. I've had this mask before, and I love it. I literally use it all the time, especially when your lips are like chapped and peeling and stuff. They like do a really good job of moisturizing it. I like literally, when I ran out of it, I'm trying to think if I bought a new one. I don't remember. Maybe. Anyways, I have this one. But whenever like I do my night skincare routine, I always make sure I apply this. And before I'm about to do my makeup in the morning, I will go ahead and prep my lips with this before I put any like lipstick or anything, because those matte lipsticks are very drying sometimes. And then the next thing that we have is I think this says Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer. And it just looks like that. So this is a moisturizer. Let me see what it smells like. Doesn't really smell like anything, and it has little beads in it. I'm gonna have to see how these, yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, but it looks like that. And it has like little beads in it, which you probably can't see right there, but on the top that I just took off, you could see the little beads. I'm gonna have to like touch it and see if it like feels like exfoliating beads, because I don't like exfoliating beads, and those look kind of big. I don't like that. I don't like big exfoliating beads because they tear your skin. Okay, they don't go inside your pores. They tear your skin apart, and I don't like it. Next is the Ren Clear Skincare Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. I'm always down for a rescue mask, and this is cruelty free. So I was watching a Jeffreestar, his last video that he just did, which is like a tutorial with like brands that hate him or something like that. And he actually taught me something new, which I don't know if you guys know. You probably do. It could just be me. But he says that this little thing right here that has like this little thing right there says 9M. It means that that's the expiration date, or that's how long the product is meant to last after you open it. I thought that was cool. I don't know if you guys knew, but I'm gonna link his video down in the description box below, because I don't know how I feel about Jeffreestar, but that video was really funny. It was very entertaining. It was a good video. And spilled some tea, so I'm gonna link that in the description box below in case you don't. I'm not saying I support him. I'm just saying it was a funny video. But yeah, he taught me something new. I thought that was cool, so I mean, why not share it? Because I didn't know. So I don't know if you guys know. Next and last thing, which I'm also really excited about, which I own and I love, it's like one of my favorite blushes, is the Tarte Cosmetics Parte blush. And it looks like that. And that's the name in the back. And it's like one of those romantic rose kind of colors, if I can open it. Just looks like that. I love pink, like rosy colors like that. They're just so pretty. And these are like my favorite blushes for like the fall and winter time. But yeah, I am actually really excited with my boxes this month. I really hope that Allure is like on their level, because my BoxyCharm was really lit and my Sephora Play was really lit. So this month so far has been really lit. So I'm expecting for Allure to end it with a bang. But that is everything that we got in our Sephora Play, or my Sephora Play, for the month of July. If you guys are subscribed to Sephora Play, let me know if you guys got the same thing, or if you got a different box, let me know, because I know they're not all the same. And that is it for this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments if you are also subscribed to Sephora Play, and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Bye guys.